Karachi Kings are hosting the Quetta Gladiators for this one at the National Bank Cricket Stadium in the seaside city of Karachi. Hopefully Spidey's working. Andrew Ty is down there. They've got a team huddle going on there, and there's some
moving.
in there. Well, you just spoke to Guptill a little earlier.
And that should be that. Just talking about how important they are. How important is Imad as captain for Karachi Kings with the new ball? Are they going to go upstairs? Yes.
And release. And bye-bye. Just going to check it upstairs, but he looks out just from the naked eye with another arm ball that just slides on through. That's Guptill at his very best. Loves a cover drive. Here's 4 more.
Third time lucky. He's tried that shot.
Class. And so Marakma opens his account with a boundary.
His quality against spin, that's for sure. 4.
Yeah.
Not that time. Tried it again. 2 full. Imad was seeing, well, what a spell this is already. This is his third. Strikes timber.
हवा में खेला और ये कैच ले गए. ये दूसरी कोशिश में इरफान नियाजी थे जिन्होंने लाजवाब आहिस्ता गेंद की, लेकिन फील्डर को मुश्किल हो गई.
इमरान था शॉर्ट बॉल, इसको खेल दिया लेग साइड पे और बाउंड्री मिलेगी. खराब बॉल किया था इस दफा और फायदा उठाया.
चौका हासिल किया 15 गेंदों के बाद. और ये लीजिए एक और भी, ये रिवायती अंदाज का स्वीप शॉट था और पहले स्क्वायर लेग के बाएं और
he gets it through. He threads the gap once again. It was a short ball off pace, and Iftikhar has
outside off, crashed away. Shoaib Malik not in business this time around. And that's a big, huge sweep shot, and that has clattered into the fence.
I think we've seen the shot from Guptill a bit earlier against Tahir as well.
Slowly, short ball, and hammered leg side. That has been hit with some power.
Yeah, they've been waiting for a bit of pace.
Into the pitch, it's in the air. And gone. The short ball and Imran Tahir with the catch. Amir brought back to get a wicket, and he's got a wicket.
What was the venue for the 2009 World Cup? Well, I tell you what, it's out of here, this one. First 6 of the innings, courtesy of Guptill. Slow one's gone through extra cover. Not bad. Still a ball to go. Width on offer. Over extra. Oh, what a delight. Guptill now into the 70s. He's back. Geez, I would have thought he might have been done for the night, but he's disappeared for 4. Banged one in, so there's back-to-back boundaries in this 18th over. Oh, the slow ball. Fetch it, please. It's on the roof. Huh. New balls, please. Fetch this. Oh, brilliant. 50 partnership, but he's only 2 shy of 3 figures. Marty G. Oh, take a bow, big guy. What a way to bring up 100 in style. Marty Guptill, and he ain't finished yet. Is Amir Man, and hello, moved to fielder. Didn't think he was going to move for a minute there. Farm, well done in the end, and it's another wicket. It's the end of Nawaz. Marty Guptill got all of this. Here's his 5th one that he gets over the rope on the full. And he has he? Is it? Oh, what a shame. He's got out, so he's not out. Gave you that stat, if he's not out in a T20.
with 5 massive hits, 12 boundaries. What a knock, Martin Guptill.
Balochistan now, it's all about Quetta. Quetta getting to 168 where they looked done after that initial power play. It was all about Martin. A bit of swing into the pads. This should be exciting, we know.
Target.
Yeah, turns away, the pace used in his favour, wins for the boundary.
Yeah, pitch is good, even though they were 23.
Again down leg side, again turned away, again the boundary.
Well, you get full value for your shots, and that's just a little tickle.
Edge and taken. Nawaz with the wicket, the start that Quetta were after, and the big wicket of Sharjeel. Good catch from Sarfaraz.
Game
Off the back foot, beautifully played. They stood up tall and elegantly put away.
made the shot look so easy.
Backs away and misses it completely. Cas Ahmed with the wicket. Heather Ali with an indifferent shot.
He's going to be so disappointed with.
But beautifully played. Means just rocking back on the back foot, elegant as ever, threads the gap into the fence. Easy to into the offside. He's in on the act. First ball, just cruises it past point. Ball in. Ball just snips back through the defensive onto the stumps. That is a beauty.
It absolutely is.
Work leg side and he gets it through. It's a quick outfield and race away into the fence. Just
और शानदार शॉट, सनसनी खेज, बैक फुट पंच, आउटफील्ड हमेशा की तरह तेज मिलती हैं. ऐसे स्मैश या नाताला शॉट शुएब मलिक का. आप इनको ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर
वहां मारना नहीं चाहते थे, बट इनसाइड एज बॉल की पेस उसको बाउंड्री के पार. फाइन लेग सर्कल के अंदर.
Gone! Wild swing to leg, and the decision from Sarfaraz is spot on. And Amin Hasnain back into the attack to break the partnership. Beautifully timed, beautiful shot. But it all timing. Well, Beeline given and walking, no question, no review. So a couple of wickets, a couple of crucial wickets. Lovely shot, super shot. Anything Martin Guptill can do. Niazi pulled away, desperate to get a boundary, get one. Just dragged down. Cas Ahmed has just dragged the few down during this spell, and it gets punished.
now turns it away, nicely done. Waited for it and just popped it away to the fence. The boundary that was needed, boundary provided. Goes into the pitch and is thrashed over cover. Huge, massive.
Malik, clean and straight all the way. 2,000 runs for Shoaib Malik in the HBLP. And it does. He just got it slightly off. A little bit too short. Oh, pace on. Sliding. And it's gone for 4. Biggest pocket on the boundary. 100 and... It doesn't matter, it goes for 4, they've won. They are over the moon here. It's just